flat tire. First, I opened my trunk and I found this device to add air in your tire, right? Now, the first problem I had is that this device is to be connected to a power socket, and I wasn't able to find it at all. The power socket is under the cup holder. So you open this compartment first, then you might have the second compartment here with all your stuff. You need to open it as well. Now here looks like it's nothing in here. However, there is a button like this. You need to push this button and then the power socket will open. And now I can plug in my device in here. Okay. Good. Now, my second problem was I wasn't able to unscrew this because it was covered like that. So all you need to do, just put your finger in and grab it. Pull it strongly, firmly, like pull it. It will come out. It's not broken. I was afraid I broke it, but it looks okay. Now unscrew this part. So you unscrew this black tiny cap, and from this machine that you add air, you just screw this one in here until it's tight. You might hear some air while you screw it, but then it should be gone. Screw it until it's tight. Now you can start by pressing this button. Oh, look at my finger. And you need to have a white arrow around 40. Now it's around 30, as you see.